it's Donna from Thread Treasures Embroidery again. Um, this is kind of like a add-on to the editing your own color chart video. I was kind of wondering why I couldn't like actually um, get rid of the color chart, and it was really bugging me. So I played around and I figured out how to do it. So bear with me right here. I've got to find the exact thing. So, okay, I'm in the Embird Manager now, and under the color palette, there is an option for thread catalogs. And what you can do is you will scroll up, and I will see the one that has the Donna Silky Rayon in here, and I will click on it, and I will say delete catalog. And it's like you're about to remove this thread catalog, continue. And I'm going to say yes. And yes, I'm sure I want to move it to the recycle bin. And let's go and see now if it's in there. I only see the marathon one right here. So let's go into Studio real quick and verify that we don't see it there. So just do a real quick color from catalog. And now we only see the Donna Marathon one that has both my polyesters and rayons. Also, another cool thing about the thread colors or the thread charts that you have here, this is like kind of like the normal looking, just a color. If you click the 3D, it's going to kind of simulate exactly what the thread would look like. And then if you do the 3D matte, it's just going to be the same, just take a little bit of the shine off. So anyway, that's how you actually would go about removing an old thread chart. Just wanted to do this quick update because it kind of confused me a little bit why when I deleted it wasn't actually removed, because I guess Embird actually builds part of that in the memory when it starts up. So that's how you delete all of the old thread charts that you don't use or need. Although personally I keep all the manufacturer ones that are out there. It would just be like any old backup copies of thread charts that I've made myself, or possibly a manufacturer that is no longer in business. So hope this update cleared that confusion, and we will talk to you later. Bye.